Hello, Showtimers! Today we're unboxing a Nissan Premium box set! Yay! With an arrow lift and Nissan Fairladies and a Nissan Laurel, and that's in 5-pin wagon. Arrow lift. It can move and go back. It has a Nissan logo. And this is how I turn it around. You can put a car on this blue thing. Like, it can move. It can tow looking car. Because it has this. Finish for this car. Nissan Laurel. It has Watanabe wheels, and his nickname is a pig butt because the back end looks like a pig butt. The sponsors are Yokohama and Ready. It has a chin spoiler. It has tail lights. That's all for this car. Nissan Fairlady Z. It has a black bumper and fender flares and a red hood and the red back end and a red stripe and 6 spoke wheels, and that's all for this car. That's in 5-pin wagon. It was designed by Jun Imai. He works at Kaido House now. It says Kaido House here, and it says Kaido House here. Has 0 on it, here and here, and it has Watanabe wheels. I'm finished for this car. So bye bye, Showtimers.